What is up, everybody? Power Washington here, making a video of unboxing Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Illusion Vengeance Special Edition. So, wait a minute before I open it. Okay, now it's time to unbox. Nah, just gonna do it like the way I was always doing it. And then after this video, I'm gonna be showing you my Yu-Gi-Oh deck. We got 3 packs to unbox, and we got some cards at the back. So let's see who they are. The cards that we get is Retro Relenko Karibo, and you can probably not see it, but it's some kind of Karibo, a robotic Karibo. Glad that I have that. And Crystron Rion. So I'm going to put these to the side, and let's start off with our first pack. Just tell me in the description below if I need to shuffle these or not. Got this guy. Wait, I'm gonna not turn off thing, but I'm gonna point more light over here. And that's going to be good. I got paired plant marionette with this. I got flower candle cover with bars. Next is Typer Twin Raptor. Next is Crystal Simger. Next one is Champion Resort Staff. Now we're in spell cards. Got this guy. Got this card. We got this. And we got a pendulum for the end. I think I should have actually shuffled them. But got this. And then another trap card. This. Dang it. I'm gonna have to get that later. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. Wait, never mind. Right there. Okay. So, on to the next pack. Still not gonna shuffle these. I just don't know. Okay. Next, first card I got Chapter Twin Raptor. got Crystal Simigar. We got this. We got this. And we got a strong card. The King Batsman the Furmore. So cool. Got this. We got this. We got this. And we got Crydell Slime Jr. On to the third pack. Last pack. Video's been 6 minutes already. Wow. Yeah. Gotta start off with Chris Tron, Nick. We got another strong card. Mare. We got Taro. We got Flower, Candon, Pony with Butterfly. We got this card. Ooh. And at the end of and leave in the comments below to tell me how to Rudral summon. And we got this card, Cyber Angel Vash. And then we got Pendant Squid Dismal. We got this. And then our last card for this video, Flower Kimball Mabel with Deer. And we're going to count how many cards we have got. See if this actually just makes a deck. Just making sure. And my friend says you need 41 for a deck, but we actually need 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 28, 29. Okay, this does not make a deck, so I'm just gonna add all these cards to my deck. And I did say I was gonna show you my deck at the end of the video. I'll be surprised what my deck is. I got Blue Eyes White Dragon. I got him for Nor Altel or IA. Super Defensive Robot. Elfin. I got Summon's Gold. I got Gecko Mega Man. I got Amsterdam Cavalier. I got Brotherhood, the Fire Fist Cabral. I got 3 Hump Lam Coda. Got Therapist Lady. Manara. Morphing Jar 2. Rushken's Clown. A trap card, a Flip Leon. Ground Attacker Bertha. The spell card Single Purchase. The spell card Hamburger Recipe. Spell card My Body as a Shield. Unbarrel Honor Will the Wisp. Super Defensive Robot Leo. Sintin Princess. Liquid Beast. Trap card Just Dessert. Trap card Reverse Trap. Super Heavy Samurai Big Wages. Giant Axe Mummy. Dekarabi. Binjar Ward. The Magic Card Scroll of Binwickman, the Unhappy Maiden, Skull Redbird, Magic card Yama, Trap card First Trap, Professionera, Magic card, PD Dragon, Magic card Timid, Firecracken, Miltail 4-Face Beast, XYZ Agent, Trap card Non-Assessive Area, Spell card Swordsman, Spell card Rush Recklessly, the Pendulum Salda Zavra, the XYZ Monster, Bindra Asmother, this card, and number 42 Galaxy Tomahawk. And that is my deck. So, Power Washington out.